This video tutorial I will explain getAvailableIDs methods of TimeZone class. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo 1. Here I am calling getAvailableIDs method of TimeZone class. This method returns array of TimeZone IDs. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo 2. Here I am calling getAvailableIDs method of TimeZone class and passing offset. This method returns available TimeZone IDs belongs to this offset. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.